Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. We're going to show you the GNET Geon dashcam installed on a 4Runner 2021. So first of all, we have here the rear window. That rear window actually goes down, so we couldn't install it there. We don't have any ledge in here, anything that we could have installed. It could be installed on the plastic in here. The problem is that you would have is that the camera will face up. So we installed it on the liner in here. We've seen the different installations online with screws and everything. We did not want to do any damage to the vehicle, so as you see, there's nothing here. We just found a very nice method to have the camera installed without any holes, without any damage. Can be removed in the future. Nobody will notice it's here. The customer wanted to purchase a backup battery, so we've installed the GB1000 battery. Basically, the battery will run the camera. We heat the battery nice and clean here in the corner, just behind our fuse box. This battery can be accessed through your phone, so you can see the charge amount, to see how much draw the camera is drawing, if it's working, not working, stuff like that. So we have it all nice and clean. All the wires, all the connections are soldered properly. And the front Geon camera sitting here, very nice, clean. All the wires go to the top, won't see any difference. You can access this camera through your phone. The system also has the Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to a hotspot to get to the cloud. With parking mode, this is one of our best dash cam to record while the car is parked. For the Geon dashcam, you can find it Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.